what is up, beautiful people? Today I have the Glossybox limited edition Mother's Day box for you guys. Before we jump in, I'd love to have you subscribe if you're new here and you like unboxings or beauty videos. Just go ahead and hit that little red button. It's free. Also, I do have my social media down below and a affiliate link with a Glossybox as well. If you want to save some money, they do give me a coupon code. And we're gonna go ahead and jump in. This is what the box looks like. I feel like Glossybox does a really great job when it comes to doing themes or just an overall cute packaging, and this one is no exception. As you see there, it has little flowers all over it for Mother's Day. And we're gonna go ahead and open, and they have the little bow. They always have like these cute little ribbons. If you're into details and you like little extra details like that, I feel like their boxes are super cute when they're wrapped, and they add like that little extra oomph to it. And this is the little booklet that has all the price points and the products in here. And look how cute that paper, like little pastel paper. And we're gonna go ahead and just jump in. Ooh, already I see a full-size product. This is by Bumble & Bumble. This is called Surf Styling Leave-In. It's a soft sea-swept waves with UV protection. And I will be trying this. And what it does, it conditions, detangles, and fights frizz, and it gives you soft sea-swept waves, and is a light hold and flexible for your, so I'm not sure if this is like a conditioning treatment or it's a actually like to, yeah, it's $29. And basically it's like so you can style it all day but give you like a beach chic look is what it says. And I'm down to try it out. I naturally have, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I actually naturally have like deep waves in my hair, and maybe this will just help that. And I love me some Bumble & Bumble. I had not seen this one, the surf one. Next thing that we're gonna go into is there's a CBD relief cream. This is worth $8. This is a little mini. It has organic essential oils and it has soothing lavender. It says that it's a lotion and you're supposed to massage into areas where you have soothing. So it gives soothing relief for muscle aches, joint stiffness, and nerve pain. I think I'm gonna give this to my mom. My mom actually has arthritis, and I think that she might benefit from this. But this is $8, so we'll see if that really does work. The next product in here is the Snow Fox Skincare, and this is a full size. This is worth $82, and it is a herbal youth oil. And basically it says it has it has a weird name, and a Brazilian paracress, which is nature's Botox, which kind of explains the price. It's $82. It has 7 blend formula of different antioxidants and is supposed to smooth out your fine lines and prevent new ones from forming. I love me a good oil, and I will definitely be trying this. Okay, I just had like a sneezing frenzy. But basically it says that it's plant-based, it's potent, and it's pure. And mama needs help, especially this. I have a wrinkle that's starting here in my forehead. So I'm gonna smother it with, with that oil. Next product in here is by Cab Cosmetics. This is another full size worth $18. It's their Red Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick. I absolutely love Cab Cosmetics. This is by Kim, Ariana, and Brielle, which are the daughters of Kim Zolciak with Kim. So that's why they came up with the name Cab. And this is what it looks like. And I do have their lip oil and highly enjoy that. Oh, this is such a pretty shade. It looks just like red velvet cake. No wonder they put the name on it. We'll be trying this out, even though, to be honest with you guys, I don't know if I'm the only one. I've hardly been wearing lip products, especially when you're gonna go out somewhere, just because of freaking COVID and having to wear a mask. And then the next thing in here is a full-size velvet eyewear. This is worth $55, and these are in the style Jessie. So these are a brand by Cindy Hussey, and it is called Velvet Eyewear. And they come in a little pack like this. Oh, these are cute. Look at those. Okay, so let's go ahead and try these on. Those are cute. I will definitely be using these. Look how cute those are. They have kind of like that Ray-Ban kind of feel to them, but for cheaper. So those are cute, and that's like the highest price point that I will pay for sunglasses is around like the $50 mark. More than that, I just feel like sunglasses are overrated. And then the next thing in here is a deluxe mini, which is this perfume by Angel, which smells divine. I have tried this previously, and this is a little trial size worth $4. It says that it has praline and has a bergamot, which I love, and is just a celestial, delicious, fearless power of a fragrance. That's a little overkill, but that's it's a really nice fragrance, to be honest with you. And then the next thing in here is the Authentic Beauty Concept. This is another travel size. This is a replenish mask for damaged hair, and this is worth $10. Oh, that smells so good. And I love me a good hair mask. I'm always trying different things for my hair, especially right now. I just dyed from my roots down just to kind of even it out, because you could definitely see how orangey it was looking. I didn't really care for it. There are some videos that I recorded and my hair is still the way it was before, so don't be thrown off by that. And then the last thing in here is the Bioderma Sebum Matte Control. So this is for someone with oily skin, and it is a shine control moisturizer for combination oily skin. And I love me some Bioderma. I have tried their products previously. I do have more combination skin right now. My skin went from being super oily to normal, dryish to combination, which I'm not mad at. And I could probably use this around my T-zone, which is where I get oiliest, and see if that helps. But it's supposed to basically be 8 hour of, what is it? It's got like 4 or 5 different languages on here. It says it mattifies, tightens the pores, and is an instant corrector. So we will try that on the T-zone area. And this is their limited edition box for Mother's Day. I definitely feel like this is a great box. Just the sunglasses and the Bumble and Bumble and just all of it together is a great bang for your buck. I don't know if the coupon code will work for this box because it's a limited edition one, but you definitely try and see. And any additional information that I have, I will put down below. Let me know what you guys thought of this box. I feel like this is a great box if you're a mother yourself, if you want to get it for yourself, or maybe buy it and gift it to your mom as well. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button. You can follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.